Welcome to the Lesson 1 of Adding Narration course. When one works with video, it is really important to stay organized. So one creates a folder for the project and you keep all the files that will be needed for your project in that folder. For this course, I created a folder called Narrated HMD Promo. If you would like to work along, then you can download the exercise files. Just make sure that you unzip it to a suitable folder. Okay, let's get started. First, navigate to your folder, in my case my Documents Projects Narrated HMD Promo video. In the folder you'll see a number of files, but in particular we will click on the HMD Promotional Video Project file, double click that, and it will open Movie Maker and launch the video that we created in the previous course. In this course we will just focus on adding narration to that project. If you haven't worked through the first course, let's have a look at what the video is all about. Click play in the preview pane on the left. Okay. So basically we have 4 photos and a caption on each photo, and in the background of the video we have a music track playing. Okay, now look up on the ribbon, make sure you're on the Home tab. If you see Record Narration, you're okay. If you don't see that button, it means you've got an older version of Movie Maker and you should upgrade first. Well, assuming that you do have that, let's test it out. What we're going to do is just record to start off with testing 1, 2, 3, just to make sure that everything is working. Okay, click on Record Narration. You get a new little toolbar with record and stop. Make sure your current time indicators at the start. Okay, I'm going to click record and then voice that testing bit. So click record, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you're done, Movie Maker will prompt you to save that sound clip, the narration. It numbers it as number 1, or you could change that, but it's okay to leave it as the default. So I'll click Save. Good. Now notice Movie Maker has added a light brown narration track below our background music track. Well, let's see if it works. We'll click Play. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, it worked like a charm in my case. If for whatever reason you didn't get that light brown soundtrack, it could be that Windows is not aware of your microphone or headset, in which case you have to go to the Start button, Control Panel, Sound, Hardware, click on that, go to Sound, and it will list all the devices that you have. In my case here for the speakers, I've got my headset, a USB headset, and this is the microphone that comes with it. You can see as I'm talking that it is actually working. So that's what you need to watch out for. Make sure that you've got the right one selected for, well, the speakers are not so important, but the microphone is what you want. Okay, so with that important step, save your work. You could also go Save Project, close, and we'll see you in the next lesson.